Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for anyone running Windows 10, whatever version you have, even the latest versions. One of the questions that I have from time to time is, does the disk defrag tool or the disk defragmenter tool still exist in Windows 10? And yes, it does. Fragmentation is still a problem within Windows, the way that the file system works. And so, yes, it is. But there's a difference. The disk defrag tool in Windows 10 actually runs by itself automatically when you don't do anything. That means most of the time your disk will not need much, defragmenting, because it usually kind of fixes itself by automatically running the defrag tool. And for those that still think the disk defrag for a solid state drive is not required, yes, it is. It is as much required, and it has to run like on a regular hard drive. It's not true that disk defrag shouldn't run on a SSD because it might wear it or break it in the long term. It will not. So all you have to do is go to your File Explorer and click this PC, and you can of course right click on the hard drive, C, D, or whatever you have. In the properties you will see tools, and of course here you'll see optimize and defragment drive. Click the optimize button. Now you can also get it in another way if you don't see it that way, and it's go to the control panel within Windows 10. With that, you would go to administrative tools, and then you would have defragment and optimize drives. All you have to do is click the analyze button, and then you can optimize, and it will be okay. Here it says 0% fragmented, last run on 18 February. So you see it runs automatically. I haven't done nothing to have it working personally. It's just my PC was there, and it actually was run automatically while I was not using it. So here it is. Yes, Windows 10 does still have defrag tool. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.